Vacation season na nga mga crew. Since it's vacation, we finally had the time to experience Songkran in Bangkok as foreign teachers teaching in the province here in Thailand. Usually kasi busy sa school, but this time, we took the chance to join the biggest water festival, and of course, we went straight to Silom Road, one of the most famous spots for street water fights. And honestly, ibang level siya. Imagine arriving early afternoon, then slowly seeing the crowd build up, people holding water guns, buckets, even hoses. Around 1 to 2 p.m., nagsisimula na yung basaan. Medyo chill pa, but by 3 p.m. onwards, that's when everything goes crazy in a fun way. The whole street turns into one massive party. Loud music, people dancing, laughing, and splashing everyone inside. Walang pili, locals, tourists, everyone becomes part of the fun. Minsan may ice water pa, so biglang gising ka talaga. Songkran is actually a Thai New Year, and traditionally water is used to symbolize cleansing, washing away bad luck, and starting fresh. But in places like Silom, it becomes a full-on street festival, modern, energetic, and super lively. If you're planning to experience this, especially as a first-timer, here are some practical tips. Bring a waterproof pouch, super important for your phone and cash. Wear light and comfy clothes. Expect na mababasa ka all day. Don't bring valuables. Less hassle, more enjoy. Stay hydrated. Mainit plus pagod, mabilis mapagod. Be respectful. Avoid splashing monks, elderly, or unwilling people. Secure your belongings. Maraming tao, so stay alert. At the end of the day, it's not just about getting wet. It's about the experience. As foreign teachers living in Thailand, moments like this make you feel more connected to the culture. So if you ever get the chance, don't miss Songkran in Silom Road. Yes, mapapagod ka, mababasa ka, but you'll definitely go home smiling, thinking, worth it lahat.